Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove, as you can see over here in corner, test more Windows 10 Pro. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so it's very simple to remove this. So guys, go for your search and type over here command prompt and left click and go for run as administrator. Open that, and now you have to put a command. You can find this command on my YouTube description, so copy and paste from there and paste over here and click enter. After that, you have to just simply cut this and go for restart your PC and your watermark will be disappear. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you only this. It is very simple method. So guys, leave a like if this video was helpful for you. Comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye friends.